Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block your house on Google Maps. Privacy matters, and with Google Street View, capturing every corner of the world is not uncommon to want to blur out your house or property. Fortunately, Google lets you request permanent removal of your house image from Street View. This doesn't affect your business visibility or Google Maps directions, just the Street View imagery. So let's follow these few simple steps to request your house to be blurred on Google Maps. The first step is to go to Google Maps and enter your address. And you can do that by going to maps.google.com and then search for your address in Google Maps. You can search for it right here, or you can go to the home, etc. Now after that, drag the yellow Street View pigment to view your house. For example, I'm just gonna choose a random location here. And as you can see here, this is the Street View that I can see in that location. As you can see here, these people have uh, blurred their information, like their car registry, their faces, etc. The second step is to open the Street View window and position the camera to focus clearly on your house. After that, you're gonna click on the three dots on the top left corner and choose to report a problem. Here, you're gonna submit the request to blur your house. Use the red box to highlight your home. For example, we're gonna choose my home. And under the reason for blur, provide any additional details. For example, please blur my front gate and driveway. And complete the CAPTCHA and submit. Once blurred, this action is permanent and cannot be reversed. You can also request to blur faces, license plates, or vehicles for privacy. Use Street View regularly to check if new imagery has replaced your blurred house and request if needed. You can't blur satellite view, only Street View. Now, if protecting your family's privacy or security is a top concern, blurring your house on Google Maps Street View is a smart move. It's free, easy to request, and irreversible, giving you fully peace of mind. As we continue to navigate this first world, taking proactive control of how much your life appears online is more important than ever.